Hey, I'm Timo FPV, and we're gonna learn a new trick today. We're gonna spin the wheel to see what trick we're gonna learn. It's a little windy, but that's okay. So let's spin this wheel. Split S, yes, something easy, perfect. At least I think it'll be easy, I don't know. Alright, so let's watch this video. Like I've said before, make sure to go and watch his full video. Any of his tutorials are just phenomenal. This is the FPV Journey, Episode 9, Split S. Step 1, throttle up as you approach target. Step 2, roll and cut throttle. Step 3, the look down transition. Step 4, the dive into the object and the recovery out. Alright, that's the breakdown of the Split S. Let's get out on the field and fly. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and comment what you think the next trick will be. Alright, so today, like you saw in the intro, we're doing the Split S, which I think is a pretty basic trick from my understanding, but that's good because I need something a little easier. So this should be fun. Hopefully I don't break this. Let's do that. There's a person walking over here looking at me like I'm crazy. I don't want to be looked at like I'm crazy. As always, I start off with a nice, easy pack. If you were here last episode, we crashed into a tree, so that was fun. So I moved to where there aren't a lot of trees, so I shouldn't be doing that today, but you never know. Trees can just pop out of nowhere and do crazy things. Still windy. That count? That count as a split S? Oh, can't see, can't see. My range on this is horrendous. I don't know if that's just me, that's the wind, if that's planes. Like you can see a plane probably landing somewhere. But my range is utterly terrible. Whew. Yeah, that's not very good. Look at this. I'm right next to myself, and I have terrible range. Let's see if I can do this. This is just for fun. Look at that. That's the wind. That's not even me. Whew. You know what? This is a nice day. We might not even do a ton of split S's, but we're just going to enjoy this flight. Look at this. Let's see what's going on over here. Oh. I hope you can hear that. That wind. Whew. All right, let's try a donkey loop while we're here. Let's land. Let's land. It's cold. Good stuff, good run. All right, this is the real deal. Here we go. This is the real stuff. This is where it matters. This is where the money's made. Let's go. Okay. So I think I can do a split S. I mean, I can just do it over here. It's pretty easy, so I'm not really concerned. While we're doing this, and while I'm just flying around, I do want to tell you, this may seem like a weird episode. Like really not a lot's happening. And that is because today's Tuesday. Last Wednesday, my wife gave birth to our 4th child. I don't look like I have 1, let alone 4 children, but I do. And she gave birth to a 4th beautiful boy, or child, 3rd son. So this is just me kind of getting away for a couple, about 30 minutes and enjoying the time to fly. So that's why I'm not really, honestly, I was glad to see the split S, because I know it's not a hard trick and it wouldn't take me very long. It wouldn't leave me out of the house for too long, so. But yeah, both are doing great. Kids love them. I love them. She loves them. It's a good day. But just wanted to share that because it's a cool moment. And I don't know what's going on in your life, but I hope you have some wins. Hope you have things you can celebrate and enjoy as you go about your day. Oh, we're getting better. Oh, did you see that? We're getting better, boys and girls. Okay. You see the plane? Where's the plane? I hear it. There it is. Cool. Oh, that's probably why I have some... No, I don't know. I don't think that would give me anything. Let's go through here. Sounds fun. Gosh, I'm having a fun time. I hope you're having a fun time. It's going slow and smooth. Really slow and smooth. Smooth operator. Oh, we're getting too fast, Woo. A little risky. Let's see how much range I got. That's probably a terrible idea. Oh, I need to land. Oh my gosh. Woo. I didn't even realize that. Gosh, okay, no worries. Last pack of the day. Let's make this one the best one. And it just took off my face. All right, so let's go. What is that? Is that a tree? Can't even tell. See? Oh, this range, dude. Actually, range isn't that bad. I'm gonna fly in here. Probably a bad idea. Yep, this is a bad idea. This is nice. There's no reason to do this. I'm just enjoying it. There I am. And then we're gonna fly over here. We're gonna go over these rocks right here. Hopefully there's no one on the path, otherwise I'm walking straight into them. And then we're gonna go up. And we're gonna roll it back around. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Yeah, no need to do that. It was beautiful. Take a deep breath. And here we go. What are we doing? Split S. Right, so let's do that. Gosh, it's so windy. That's good. I would go through it. I just, actually, you know what? I should. I'm gonna go through it. All right, well, it didn't land up there. That's fine. We'll get that. All right. I wish you could have seen that. All I saw was it slammed into that metal grate right there. All I could see was it doing a somersault through the air. That was funny. All right. All right, we're good. So let's not try that again. Let's kill the rest of this battery. Yeah, one of the props got scraped up pretty bad, so. Man, these, I'm gonna say these drones are incredibly durable. I mean, I have crashed this thing, I don't know how many times, and it's still rocking and rolling. Let's do a donkey loop. 3.6. All right. One more, and then we'll call it a day. This is going to be a good one. That was not a good one, so we'll do it again. Yeah, it's just not it. All right, we'll call it a day. Split S. Oh, we got to end on the split S. Hold on, sorry. What I'm thinking. There we go. All right, let's bring her home. I'll take a step back. Let's see if I can land on the backpack and not crash into myself. Oh, yes. I'm the best pilot around. Where am I? Check it out. Let's go. I can do this. Yes, there it is. All right. Yeah, so that was Split S and Donkey Loop. I did a little bit of Donkey Loops because I wasn't satisfied last week after I crashed it into the tree. And this week, guess what? I crashed it into the thing. The grate, the metal grate thing. So yeah, and also I had a kid, so that's kind of the cool thing as well. All right, another day, another trick done, Split S. Trick number 9, 64, Split S. I'm gonna draw an S. This is gonna blow your mind. I'm gonna draw an S. Split. And we're gonna do the rest of the S. And do a little break. Break it off. So you know what? We're even gonna put a baby right here because I had a baby. I mean, honestly, I'm gonna give it a half star out of 5 stars because it's just Split S. All right, well, there you go. This has been Split S. I'm FPV. Stay soaring. I missed.